Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. Today I've got something from the United States. I'm not sure what's in here, so let's find out. Whoa, looks like there's a bunch of stuff in here. Okay. We have a letter. Oh, this is from Yamachan Ramen. I did a Meet the Manufacturer with them a long time ago, and they've got some pretty tasty stuff, and they mentioned they had some new products. Happy holidays. Enclosed are the following items. Ramen Z gluten-free ramen noodles, miso flavor. This product will be launched soon in Asian markets such as H Mart and 99 Ranch Market by next year. Want you to try a brand new product called Ramen Z Tonkatsu, which is pork flavored gluten-free ramen. We are working on our back package, but here's a sneak peek of the front. I have also included our supplier brochure and a flyer for our retail products, which was advertised in J Weekly, a local Japanese newspaper. If you have any questions, okay. Cool, and their website is yamachanramen.com. So let's have a look at this stuff. Alright, so here's their Ramen Z miso flavor ramen, which is gluten-free. I don't know how you're pulling that off, guys. That's pretty interesting. Let's see if I can figure it out, possibly by the, wow, the calories are pretty good. 136 calories for this one. Ah, okay, so the noodles are made from tapioca flour, yam flour, pumpkin powder. Okay, and there you go. Huh. This will be interesting to try. As they mentioned, they're still working on the back of the package, but here is what will be the front of their tonkatsu. And then here is the soup base and the noodles. The noodles are definitely interesting. Well, cool. I'm very keen on trying these out. Thank you very much. Okay, when I talked to them, I asked if they could send some literature, maybe a poster if possible. Here's a little print showing all their varieties. Here's a little sheet about Yamachan Ramen School. You can go and learn how to professionally make some ramen. So, mentions, are you interested in opening a ramen bar or restaurant? So you could go there and get your chops. Here's another little leaflet. Information on their different varieties. A brochure. With lots of information about their different noodle types and varieties. And finally, a really nice poster. Very cool. Looking forward to getting this laminated and set up on the wall. Well, cool. Thank you guys for sending this along. And this is something I've never even heard of. Gluten-free Japanese ramen. So looking forward to giving this a try, and yeah. Hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.